boy, that boy Slim. I'm back with another video, man. Finna go roll for homecoming. Yeah, see, I had to bring the camera out, man. You know what I'm saying? And I got a fit on. Y'all don't really see me dress up on this bitch, but I'm dressed up. You feel me? I really had to bring that bitch out cause we really got these motherfucking beans. No kids. No kids. Shit. Motherfucker took their time today. I had just said this shit. I had said, bro, it take me about 2 hours for the fucking wash the car. For real, for real. This shit crazy. That be.
I had woods, all type of shit.
But it be a bean, goddamn. A damn blueberry and strawberry, goddamn.
Man, ain't no fucking way.
What?
I just said this shit like 2 days ago, dude.
For real? Hey, what up, gang? Shit, what up with you?
Call you back.
You straight?
Yeah, bro.
Thank you, roll head down, sipping this shit. Mine.
I just said this shit like
Yeah, Sirski.
like cranberry and blueberry.
Oh, God.
Sensational.
Cranberry Blueberry, this is our new nickname.
Yeah.
Cranberry Blueberry, no cap. My boy Tim, boy, I ain't seen you in so long, fool.
Yeah. Man, I got read up in this bitch. Yeah, I'm on camera with
Yes, sir.
Hey, bro. You fucking with that Twitch shit?
I need to get on there, but shit, I don't know how it works. That's why I just, shit, did what I'm used to, what I know, shit. Hell yeah, I'm telling you, bro, I be waiting on you. I be waiting on you for real, for real. Yeah. What you gonna do?
Tailgate?
Tonight?
Yeah.
I'm finna go to roll for right now. Well, we finna go roll for it, then she gonna come back down this bitch. Cause right now, 12 so heavy. 12 heavy for it.
Yeah, they acting nice, man.
Yeah,
I see a whole pile of them down that way, out here too.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, that what it is.
Tell you, plenty of people that goddamn it doubted me, plenty of people that goddamn it just that they like what I do, love what I do, just hate the nigga that's doing it. You know what I'm saying? Like all of that.
Good day to be alive. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, that boy Slim, and it is the next day, and I just want to give y'all a review. Well, not a review. Y'all recap of last night. It was alright. It could have been better, but 12, bro. 12. The people being there and just like the function, it was packed. It was packed. I ain't seen me in a while. Bro, I really don't be out. I be in my own little bubble though, for real, for real. I don't be doing too much. I got some used tires, bro. I might give y'all a little clip of the tires I had. I don't know. 3 tires, bro. 3 gone on that bitch. Then mom called me to my son. Them tires don't go down there. Them tires don't. Y'all remember when I went to Hollandale in May, my hometown? I had them tires still on there. And earlier in the week, I was gonna change them anyways for this weekend, but early in the week, I ended up having a blowout on the road. It was funny, but it wasn't funny, because I knew that I didn't want those. Well, I was gonna replace the tires, and the tires really basically said, fuck you, we gonna blow out now. And the other one was actually smooth as butter too. It just wasn't time for that one, you know what I'm saying, to pop yet. So we really ain't do too much last night. I got a couple pulls last night. But as far as like just donuts or burnouts, I ain't really do nothing. They went there. So we came into town, they were like, I need y'all to slow it down. And I promise you, we was not even going fast. So when they did that, I know what type of time they on. We see y'all. I ain't gonna say it. But yo, last night was great. But it's the next day. I'm probably about to wash her up again and clean the inside, cause I know I be kind of lazy on the inside. Yeah, I'm just getting y'all a recap of last night, and I know we gonna push this shit into today. I just don't know what's playing today. There's 2 homecomings going on, so, and I'm not from either one, but I got partners at either or. It don't matter. So I'm gonna get an update on them. Still got my bunny on, man. It feel good out here right now. Feel good. Might go to the live and walk or something today, just to, you know, get the blood flow. Something productive. I always do something productive. Do something that you feel like, you know what I'm saying, gonna make you feel better in the end. Give you a relief from any type of stress. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little. Should I give y'all a little 360 of the car? That bit dusty. Fuck it. Okay, so I thought about it. My car dirty. It dusty. And I don't like putting my car on camera. If I have to, if I really want to, and it's dusty, I'm not gonna put it on camera because I like my car being clean. But I will give y'all a cold start. See something outside, you know. Give y'all a little cold start content, man. I don't really just be posting my cold starts and shit like that. I don't know, man. I need to start though. I'ma start. I got y'all, gang. I got y'all, but give y'all this cold start. Then I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find some more stuff out later. On gang.
I didn't know he was gonna do all that, but we glad I can't record.
Yeah, man, just a little cold start. Gave y'all a little something, a little real of action, man. Just a little something, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I know some more stuff, get some more information, get some more details about the day, and on gang. I ain't want nothing, but I just pulled up to my mom's crib, and I want to see how my siblings are gonna react with the camera and stuff in their face. I'm gonna put that lens in their face, see how they react. They ain't just seen me in person, like just had the camera. So I'm finna try to see what reaction they get once I get out with the camera. I'm gonna see. Let's see. What up?
Tell me one. How about right now? Tell me one. He record. I got it.
You see, he record.
You sold him.
Y'all need the towel. Talking about. Good kid. Need the towel. Talking about. Look at this. 3 times, bro. 3 gone on that bitch. Then mom called me talking about something. Them tide don't go down there. You good. That twin right there. Man, legit like me. Look, then he got twin for real. He's here. This man got. Hold on. This man got earring, and I thought they the little magnet. These ain't even magnet. He got these for real. How old you?
15.
15. Y'all know when I got my ear pierced? I got my ear pierced at 18. My mom on 2nd Street then. Yes, when I was finna graduate.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
What?
Ooh. And now they competing. Who got the cleanest hitch? He said I can get on the mouth. Hey.
He pushed me.
You did. There was offensive pass interference though. Oh my God! You say you trying to get up there? You gotta make them.
He's not throwing a spiral.
It don't matter. Your hands touch. Your hand touch.
I can't look at it because he's not.
You can though. You can. You gotta actually focus.
Hey Fred, I know how to play DB now. I'm gonna guard you.
You gonna guard me
I know how to play DB now.
Stand right there.
against me?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
I can.
Against me?
Yeah.
You ain't ready for it, Cole.
I am.
What?
I know.
You ain't ready for it right now.
Yeah.
I'm a little told right now. You can't do it right now. You gonna tear me up right now.
I can tell you what.
Ooh, them boys talking noise. Y'all wanna know who I am?
But I can guard you.
Well, let me get to the camera.
Yeah.
You're trash.
Oh, he talking noise. Oh, snap.
I don't care.
Man, I really do it to y'all. Look, bro, you hear them talking noise to me? You hear them talking noise to me?
You're trash. Now record the video.
Oh, snap. Look, I would've picked that off.
Why is me?
I would've dove and caught that. You trying to hit a growth spurt, ain't it? Boy getting a little deep, getting tall.
I said throw it to him, jump in front of him.
Hey, y'all start football prayer yet? When y'all gonna start football prayer?
Next year.
Oh, y'all gonna try to do it next year? Y'all, I'm gonna make sure y'all straight next year.
Throw it to him, I'm gonna jump in front of it.
He said I'm gonna jump in front of it. Oh my God. Okay. You still gonna use? I'm still clamp. You still ain't gonna clamp me up though. I'm gonna catch. You gonna have to jump with me. Hey, y'all wanna say something about basketball when I was
I'm
talking
better
about
than
football?
basketball.
You better than me in basketball. Yeah, you can put it on the cover too. You better than me in basketball.
Hold on.
I mean football. No, I'm talking about football.
Hey,
Y'all
look, bro.
just,
Hey, look, bro.
You
y'all,
wanna do football?
y'all was just talking all to me. Y'all trying to make it seem like I'm an old man.
We can do football.
You know I'm preaching the thing.
You can put me in my place. These
No,
are
honest,
5th
Vinny.
graders. These are 5th graders. Get that out of here. Now I'm finna make y'all talk. I'm finna talk noise to y'all now.
You
I'll
got
be in
it.
nice.
Get on the rim.
I'll be in. Who get on the rim?
Get on the rim. Get on the rim. Get on the rim.
Look, he come to shoot with the
Hey,
real
get on the
ball.
rim. I dunked on him. Hey, JC, get on the rim. Get under it. Try to block my shot.
Oh, he said he tried to block. Oh. Damn. You said doing that because he's shorter than you.
Nah, I can do it on YouTube.
Cap.
I told you to line up.
You get it? Alright, come on.
Not pass that ball.
I'm finna two-hand block his stuff.
Wait,
After this.
I can't dunk with that. I
I'm
can't
gonna
bomb
go. I ain't gonna get on there. I'm gonna give you a chance to dunk. I'm gonna run to. No, I'm gonna run up to.
it. Bet, it's bar.
No, I'm come from under here. I'm coming from the other side, dude.
Make it hard as you want.
I'm ready.
Oh!
Why? No, boy.
I was at it. I was at it.
Right here.
If I ain't close my eyes, they'll
Let me
be
get that
closer.
shot.
Was just snap, but we fast forward. We didn't watch our cars and all that. I ain't get none of that. I'm sorry, I ain't get none of that. Bro, when we left the city, bro, we was floating that bit. No cap, I ain't get none of it. I think we at the bushes or something like that. So we finna see how they do. But yeah, man, we this line so long. Hold on, let me show y'all, man. It's like the front counter and it turns off. Like this dead. We been here for like good 30 minutes, I want to say. Then more people came behind us. Let's see, can I see through the mirror? See through the mirror. Like all them lights back there, bro. Those are different people. There's a whole nother set of people. Like that bitch rapping. With the SRT bag, he tough with it. He's so tough with it. Let me zoom in on it. Ooh, that's so tough. That's tough. What's good, Slim fans? Your boy, that boy Slim, man. I'm just coming to update y'all on what's gonna be next because this video really was just a weekend night in the life. I got another one coming out, but for the most part, we didn't really just get to do everything we wanted to do that Saturday. I was gonna vlog inside the bushes, but it was too long. We were waiting too long. We were waiting for probably about an hour and a half, and it was still gonna be probably longer than that. But yeah, man, I ain't really just do anything else that night. I think we just left. We turned around. We ended up going, and we left. So it really was the end of the weekend for that weekend. So Rolling Forward was good. Had a pretty good crowd out there. Man, enjoyed our time. We really ain't cut up how we wanted to, but still got some good content, man. But upcoming, we got Little Homecoming, and it was okay. I got a lot more content on the way. Y'all just keep tuning in, man. Like I've been saying since the very first video, we're just gonna only elevate, man. That's the only mindset we got is to elevate. And I'm low key driving right now because somebody fucking drove while I was doing content, but we was talking the whole time, so I ain't tripping about talking.
Even low key driving, you're driving.
Then I'm low key driving because my knee. I'm driving with my knee. Y'all don't do that. Don't drive with your knee. My uncle taught me that when I was real young, and I've been doing it ever since. I got a lot of content for y'all coming. A lot of content on the way. I got more updates. I've been working, trying to keep putting content out there for y'all, man. I think I'm slowly getting to my niche, and I'm really enjoying the grind, man. I'm locked in right now, so hey, we here, y'all. We here. Before I even leave, before I even exit, if you made it to the end of the video, if you made it to this, man, go on, drop a like, comment, and go on, subscribe for future references, man. Hit that bell so you'll get notification when I drop another upload, bro. In this video, let y'all know what's going on next. It's going up. Only thing I can say is just, if you're here, I appreciate you. If you're watching, I appreciate you. And just keep tuning in, man. Everything on Lay Wood, post late. That's all I gotta say, man. Slim out.